What up? Back on the charts. My first day back on the charts today on ES. Breaking up with NQ. ES is still running up. $625 days, you see right here. Executions on InterTrader. I was gonna execute on TradingView, but I remember how my spreads are, and I was like, you know what? And then I set an auto trail. So you see why I don't move my stop to break even. Look how choppy we came up, came down, came down. So that pink horizontal line was 40 ticks, which is my trail. I like to let my trades almost play out and then I trail. Because as you see, after we hit 40, we ran up to my 50. My original bracket was 20 ticks, 60, a 60 tick profit, which gave me $750. But after yesterday, I did not trade yesterday because it's a holiday. However, I could have got 50 ticks yesterday. So I was like, let me just do it to 50 on days where there's just low, low volume. I could still make 50 ticks, but I could have got my full 60 today. Also, my first day trading back on in ES. So let's talk about the trade. This big white squares you see on the bottom is a 4-hour order block demand zone. Boom. And then I have these pink lines are liquidity. And then as soon as we closed above, because that's why I'm trading now, kind of like Ivan and those bottom tickers, I kind of wait for like one full 1 minute close back in my direction if I'm confident. And that's when I got in above that 1 minute candle. Close, stop loss, 20 ticks, boom, almost at the lows, and then 50 tick take profit. We were so bearish, so we kind of broke structure to the downside. I could have took it to fill that whole order block, but I had the feeling we were going to have a big move up. We just ran down so much. 8:30 open is resting above that blue line here, which could be a target. 6 p.m. open is way above. Midnight open is everything is just so far above. I had a feeling we were going to rebalance above a little bit. So that just is what it is. I'm loving the levels I'm trading. I'm trading, like I said, I didn't say, Ivan finally released his levels. So I had those on my chart. We were way below any of those levels. So I had to find what I liked next, which was order block, supply and demand zones. And then, yeah, so it's really what trumps for me is the 3:55 p.m. levels. Even yesterday, those didn't really play out, but we bounced above midnight open yesterday, was the low of day. You could have bomb ticked that, and then we came up, we rebalanced at the 6 p.m. open, and then continued higher yesterday. So I like those levels, the 3:55, 6 p.m. midnight, and then order blocks on ES, and it just respects the levels so nicely, so you can get nice entries. Here we are. So let's see how this works, if I can get a payout, all these things. I don't know if I'll document every trade every day, because my goal is to, like, come back on social media